Hello, and welcome to Taiwan Tech Dispatch, where we explore the most fascinating developments shaping technology and economics across Asia and the world. I'm your host, White Shu. The global economy is slowing, interest rates remain stubbornly high, supply chains continue to be reshaped by geopolitical tensions and technological disruption. Yet in Asia, one small economy has managed to stay surprisingly strong: Taiwan. Over the past year, Taiwan's exports have rebounded faster than most Asian peers, and its stock market has quietly climbed into the world's top 8 by total value. This isn't just luck, it's the result of two powerful forces working in tandem. Today, we explore how exports and capital markets have become Taiwan's twin engines for growth, and what this means for the future of Asia's economic landscape. Chapter 1: The Export Turning Point. Let's start with a moment that many analysts missed, but shouldn't have. In August 2025, Taiwan achieved something unprecedented. Its exports surpassed South Korea's for the first time ever. Taiwan's exports hit $58.49 billion, up a staggering 34.1% year over year. South Korea, $58.4 billion, with just 1.3% growth. These two economies have long been compared as Asia's export-driven tech powerhouses. But now, they're diverging in fascinating ways. Taiwan's export structure is now dominated by semiconductors and high-value electronics, making up more than 70% of total exports. And it's not just about TSMC, though the semiconductor giant plays a crucial role. It's about an entire ecosystem of AI server makers, electronic component manufacturers, and precision equipment suppliers. Meanwhile, South Korea's exports remain more diversified, but heavily influenced by energy, automobiles, and intermediate goods. While diversification usually provides stability, Taiwan's laser focus on AI and cloud computing supply chains has given it structural advantages that are hard to replicate. Consider this: Taiwan's exports per capita, when annualized, reach approximately $25,400. South Korea's around $13,500. With half the population, Taiwan generates nearly the same total export value as its much larger neighbor. But here's what makes this even more remarkable. As companies worldwide rush to build AI infrastructure, from data centers to autonomous vehicles, they increasingly depend on Taiwan's irreplaceable manufacturing ecosystem. Even with geopolitical risks and reshoring trends, global tech leaders continue to rely on Taiwan's precision and innovation. And Taiwanese companies aren't sitting still. They're expanding into the US, Japan, and Southeast Asia, rewriting the export map to be less China-centric and more globally balanced. This geographic diversification provides a resilience few expected from such a small economy. Chapter 2: Capital Market Momentum. Now, strong exports are one thing, but Taiwan's second engine, its capital markets, tells an equally compelling story. Taiwan's stock market recently crossed the $3 trillion milestone, officially ranking 8th globally. It has surpassed both Germany and South Korea, putting this island economy ahead of some of the world's largest industrial powers. Much of that value is concentrated in tech giants, especially TSMC, which alone accounts for nearly 30% of Taiwan's total market capitalization. But this concentration isn't a weakness. It reflects global investor confidence in Taiwan's innovation economy. Foreign investors now own around 40% of the market, viewing Taiwan as a stable hub for AI, semiconductors, and advanced manufacturing. Taiwan's market cap to GDP ratio now exceeds 200%, an extraordinary signal of investor trust relative to economic size. Let's put this in perspective. South Korea has a more balanced market: autos, batteries, and chemicals, but faces volatility due to traditional industrial cycles. Germany remains industrially robust, but lacks the high-growth sectors that attract premium valuations today. Taiwan stands out as Asia's quiet outperformer, a country with world-class companies, robust liquidity, and steady capital inflows. And this market strength isn't just about valuation. It's about access to funding for the next wave of innovation, enabling companies to raise capital efficiently, invest in R&D aggressively, and expand globally with financial backing that many competitors can't access. Chapter 3: The Dual Engine Effect. Here's where Taiwan's story becomes truly fascinating. These two engines, exports and capital markets, create a self-reinforcing cycle that's rare in the global economy. Strong exports generate profits. Profits drive stock performance. Rising stock performance attracts more capital inflows. Capital inflows fund new innovation, and that innovation fuels the next export wave. This virtuous cycle positions Taiwan as a model of resilience in an uncertain world. While other Asian economies face demographic slowdowns and supply chain challenges, Taiwan's agility and deep tech ecosystem have made it a new economic benchmark for the region. Consider this. Taiwan's GDP per capita has now reached $38,066, surpassing South Korea's $37,430 for the first time. Projections suggest Taiwan will cross $40,000 in 2026, firmly joining the developed economy tier. But this isn't just about Taiwan beating its competitors. It's about what Taiwan represents for the future of Asia's development. In a world where technology and specialization matter more than sheer scale, Taiwan demonstrates how focus and innovation can create outsized economic impact. As global supply chains evolve and AI reshapes industries, Taiwan's twin engine model offers lessons for every nation navigating this transformation. Closing and call to action. Taiwan's story reminds us that economic strength isn't about size. It's about structure, innovation, and trust. This small island continues to defy expectations, quietly shaping the future of Asia's economy and proving that strategic focus can triumph over scale. I'm White Shu, and you've been listening to Taiwan Tech Dispatch. If you found today's insights valuable, please follow and subscribe on YouTube or Spotify. And connect with me on LinkedIn for more discussions about Taiwan's tech and innovation landscape. For deeper analysis and data behind today's episode, visit whitesu.blog and follow our Facebook page for daily updates on Taiwan's tech and economic developments. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.